Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. I'm Pranjali and today I'm gonna be recreating this reception look by Smita Deepak. For those of you who don't know her, she's an amazing beauty influencer. I just love to watch her tutorials. They're so well explained and easy to follow, and if you're a makeup lover, make sure to check her out. I've left a link to her channel in the description box down below, and without further ado, let's get started. So I've already made my brows off camera and I'm jumping straight to prepping my eyes with Milani Prime Perfection Primer. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 125, and then I'm gonna lightly set it up with some powder. I'm using the New York Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm picking up this red ochre shade on my blending brush to warm up my crease. Next, I'm picking up this shimmery gold shade from the Makeup Revolution palette and I'm packing this all over the inner half of my eyelid, almost creating a cut crease. And in the outer half of my eyelid, I'm going to be using this bronze gold shade from the same palette. To further deepen up my outer half, I'm dipping into this reddish shade from this drugstore palette. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a name on it. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of this deep brownish maroonish shade to darken up the outer V of my eye from the same palette. To brighten up and bring some light, I am lightly dusting off this silver shimmery shade on my brow bone. To line up my upper lash line, I am using Lakme Insta Liner. This is a long lasting water resistant eyeliner, so it will stay put on your eyes throughout the event. For primer, I am going to be using Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This is a silicone based primer, so it is going to fill in all my pores and fine lines and smooth out my skin before I apply anything else over it. For foundation, I am using the Nykaa stick in the shade 04. To apply it, I am using a damp sponge. This one is from Pune store and this has to be my favorite drugstore sponge. It is so soft and soaks in all of that excess product, giving me a very natural finish. To brighten up my high points like my under eye area, forehead, chin and nose, I am using the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 125, which is 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. If you are like me who doesn't like using a very heavyweight concealer on your face or just doesn't have a skin type that fits very well with heavy duty makeup, try to use a lighter weight foundation to contour your face or to cover up those imperfections. Now I'll be adding that dimension using a cream contour. I'm using my favorite NY Bay contour stick in the shade Raising Toast. This is so easy to use. You just have to apply it just like your foundation stick in the areas you want to contour, like the hollows of your cheekbones, your forehead, jawline, as well as that nose, and it's very blendable as well. And to lock in my base makeup, I'm using PAC Instant Fixation Primer and I'm spritzing this all over my face and going with that beauty blender to soak in that excess product if there's left any. To warm up my face, I'm going to be using a bronzer from Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit that will also help to build in that depth and dimension to my face. For blush, Smita Deepak used a very light pinkish shade, and I am gonna be using something very similar to this. This is Maybelline New York Color Show blush, and I'm gonna lightly dust it on the apples of my cheeks, taking it all the way where I used my bronzer. For highlighter, I am going to be using Moonstone from EBH Cosmetics Glow Kit palette on the highest planes of my face. For lipstick, I am using this deep red shade Pioneer from Maybelline New York, similar to what Smita Deepak had used. Coming back to the eye makeup, I am lining my lower lash line with Magnet Eye Kajal from Faces Canada. To smoke up that lower lash line, I am applying the same deep maroonish brown shade that I used to define my outer V. Now for the main part, that pop of color, I am using this green shade from Sephora Color Festival Black Buster palette, just like Smita Deepak. For falsies, I'm first curling up my lashes and applying some mascara. This one's from Maybelline Total Temptation Black. For falsies, Smita Deepak used something that was shorter in the inner corner and winged out at the very end to give that elongated look. So for that similar effect, I'm using Adele lashes in the style Demi Wispies. And to finish up, I am wearing a red sari with a green necklace set. I highly recommend you to wear this look with a backless blouse to raise some eyebrows or to break up your crush's wedding and have some fun, who knows. Jokes apart, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below. I post new videos every Friday and occasionally on Wednesdays, and I'll see you with a brand new one. Bye guys.